Everyone, in this video today, we are going to show you an overview of technical repair docs on diesel repair. To access it, it's very easy. Once you're logged in, just click on technical repair docs and you see a menu structure such as this. What you want to do here is just work down the list and find what you're looking for. So, for example, let's start at Cummins. We select Cummins, it's an engine, we'll do a 2013, and we'll do an ISX15, very popular engine. You're going to see now, based on this menu selection, I have 4 different types. We're actually going to talk about 5 and 6 as well after this example. So first of all, let's look at them. Engine specifications. This is where you're going to find one nice PDF that's been consolidated to show you all the different specifications that you could possibly need on that engine. So you don't have to dig through a bunch of service manuals or repair information. It's a nice, one clean, easy to find location for all of those specifications. Let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at maintenance intervals. Maintenance intervals are important because you need to know how often to check things, how often to replace things, what needs to be done. So, as you can see, in this particular one on this ISX15, we have some daily intervals, and then it breaks it down by miles or hours, and sometimes even by time as well, 2 years, 5 years, whatever it is. So we have some clear tables that have been put in here on what to do. And depending on how the OEM works, these tables could look differently. So for Detroit Diesel, for example, they're going to break theirs down based on usage of your vehicle, how many miles per gallon it gets. They have different tables. So you're going to want to keep a look in there, see what the OEM recommends, keep track of your vehicles. If you're a service shop, these are maintenances that you should be recommending to your customers. Next up, we have remove and replace instructions. Remove and replace instructions, these are detailed step-by-step documents that have been put together by the team at Diesel Laptops. It includes original artwork by us. We walk you through all the procedures that you need in order to properly remove and replace a component on a vehicle. So they're very curated information. They're gone through by our subject matter experts here at Diesel Laptops, and we want to make sure we have the right information quickly and easily able for you to locate and find. Let's take the last one in this group. And that would be the torque specifications. So very similar to the other ones. Oftentimes this information is buried across multiple manuals, service manuals, repair manuals, individual docs. What our team at Diesel Laptops does is we go through and we put all of these together in one nice easy spot. So as you can see, here's for your main bearings, the sequence, how you put those together, install them. But you'll find, again, original artwork, attention to detail, vetted by our subject matter experts, quick, easy to find, which is exactly what you need. So not only that, but we've also added recalls and technical service bulletins. So technical service bulletins and recalls are exactly what the dealers use. Let's pick a newer model truck. A Freightliner Cascadia is a good one. And let's go look at some recalls. So in the recall section, you can see that we have the NHTSA recall number. That's what that first digit is. And then you have a description of what's going on with that. So in this case, you can see there's quite a few technical documents here for this. So let's just pick on one of them. Right? So we can load this up. And this is the actual recall campaign that was issued by Freightliner or Daimler Trucks North America. It has, this particular one's 119 pages long, but it goes through in detail. This is the exact same information that you would see at dealers. Even a lot of these will even have warranty information, so dealers know how to file the warranty claims and how much they get paid. But it gives you a good idea of what's going on, and we'll skip down here a bunch. And as you can see, you're getting exactly what the dealers have, walking them through all the information that they could possibly need for that particular issue. And not last, well, I guess it is last, but certainly not least, we are going to have our technical service bulletins. So these are not the same thing as recalls, but this is information deemed important by the manufacturer for the vehicle. So this information, again, Freightliner service bulletins, you can read a little bit about it, new natural gas vehicle from webpage. So no big deal. This is just one notifying the general public, hey, there's a webpage that's out. Let's try to find another one here just so we can see another example. So let's go pull this one up. There we go. This is a little bit better. Airliner rear suspension chassis lean troubleshooting. So most often what you'll find is this information is released after the truck is put into the general population. It's being sold, it's driven, and the OEM wants to make sure they get that information out there so people know how to repair their equipment and how to fix it. So again, same exact thing that you'd typically see at a dealership, now available at your fingertips. So if that was everything, that would be great. Sometimes people don't know how to actually pick the right year, make, models for these things. So we do have a little cheat for you in here. Click on the little search icon up here, and we can go in here and we can paste in our VIN. Click the search button, and what you'll see is quick, easy to find information. We've VIN decoded, and we put a little shortcut button here. We hit engine repair. So if you hit engine repair, it'll go to the diesel docs section, and it'll automatically fill out your year, make, model, vehicle you have, and allow you to quickly and easily see all the information that's available for that particular VIN. So there you go. I hope this helped you out and you learned a little bit. We look forward to seeing you on Diesel Repair. You can visit it at repair.diesellaptops.com. Accounts are free, and all users for free every month can download a certain number of documents at no charge. Give it a try. Give us your feedback. We appreciate your time.